Hi, so this is how you can go ahead to delete a WordPress theme. So on my dashboard, you come over to the left hand side here, you see appearance. Okay, so when you hover on appearance, you see themes. When you click on themes, allow it to load up. So you're going to see all the themes that are installed on your application. Now this is the active theme currently, so I'm not going to touch that, but look at this one here. These are themes that I've tried before, so I'm just going to delete this as an example. Okay, so now that everything has loaded completely, you can see when I hover on this, you see theme details. You can activate or live preview. So all you have to do is click on theme details, and then you see that over here there is a delete. So you click on this, accept it, and there you go, allow it to delete, and you can see we've successfully deleted that theme. So you can do that again, delete. So that's how to go ahead to safely delete a WordPress theme. So if you like this video, please don't fail to like the video, drop a comment and subscribe, and also turn on the notifications so that you can get similar kinds of videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice one. Bye for now.